Code number DR1855. In this question, we have to recall sum of infinite GP A, AR, AR square up to infinity. This sum is equal to A upon 1 minus R minus 1 less than R less than 1. Coming to this question, a circle of radius R. In this circle, I am inscribing a square. This is square. If the radius of the circle is capital R, diameter will become 2R. I can write here it is, this is 2R. Also another diameter, this will be the diagonal of the square also. Now from this I know that for the squares, diagonals are perpendicular. Not only that, they bisect each other. This will become capital R, this will become capital R. From this I can write here it is side, that is root 2 capital R. In this square I have to inscribe a circle. This is a circle here. Let us draw this circle here. If it is a circle here, what will be the radius? I can say that radius will become equal to the side of the square. The side of the square is root 2R. I can say that the diameter of the circle will become root 2R. The second circle, I can say that root 2R divided by 2. This will be the radius. I mean R by root 2. Again continuing the process. In this I have to inscribe a square. I am inscribing the square. The same process, I have to find the radius. Now I can say these are perpendicular. This radius is R by root 2. This also R by root 2. Then I can get here it is, that is root 2 times R by root 2. The side of the square. Inscribe in this. Now this side is R. Coming to this, I will write here it is, first of all circle. I want to write the radii of the circles. First circle radius is R. Second circle I am getting radius R by root 2. I can say that geometrically we are inscribing square and then again circle. We are getting R and R by root 2. Mathematically I can say I have to divide by root 2. Now if the geometric process is same, then the mathematics process will be the same. The next step, I have to inscribe a circle in this, again find the radius. That means mathematically I have to do the same thing. I mean to write the next radius, write the radius of the next circle, I can say it is R by 2. I am dividing this radius by root 2. Next radius also I can write, divide by root 2. It is 2 root 2. It continues. These are the radii of the circles. I have to write here the sum of the areas. Sum of area. I can say that circle area is pi r square. R is the radius. The first I am writing pi r square. Second here again the same formula, radius changes. I write here it is pi times r square by 2. Again here it is pi times r square by 4. It goes on pi times r square by 8 up to infinity. In this it is common pi r square. I am taking pi r square common. 1 plus 1 by 2. The next term is 1 by 4. It goes up to infinity. I am getting here it is an infinite GP which is having the first term 1 and common ratio 1 by 2. I can apply this formula here. this will become pi r square 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. This denominator 1 by 2, this will become pi r square 2, that is 2 pi r square is the sum of the areas of the circle. Now let us come to the squares. Side of square. The first square, it is root 2 r. Second square, that is r. Side. I have to see here it is what will be the side of the third square. As we have talked here, the geometric process and the mathematical process, if it is the same thing, the mathematical process will be continuing the same way. I can say from here I am getting this radius by dividing by root 2. Now from this I will get again dividing by root 2, again dividing by root 2, I will get the next square. I can say now sum of the areas. I write here it is 2 r square, next area r square, next area r square by 2, it goes on. Now I can say r square is common, this is 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, it goes on. It is an infinite GP with the first term 2 and the common ratio 1 by 2. Sum I am writing 2 1 by 1 by 2. Denominator will become 1 by 2. Then you can say this will become equal to 4 r square. Hence these are the area of the sum of the area of the circles and that of the square. Hence that is the answer of the question.